Hello, Unique Avon fans. We are going to unbox this box really quick. I just want to show you a few things we were able to get for our Outreach program for the Memory Care Center here in Raleigh, North Carolina. Of course, as you see, we did get some more of those deodorants. This is the Avon Cool and Confident. This is the original scent. We were able to get these when they did the sale 3 for $5 and some change. So we scooped up about 15 of them. We hope that'll be enough to fill all the rest of the boxes. I'll give you all a wonderful overview. Oh my gosh, there was so much stuff. Where to begin? Of course, there's the new Faraway Bali. I cannot wait to unbox and smell this beautiful thing. So excited. Coming up for Mother's Day. Yes, that's right. There's a Soft Glam eyeshadow. Ooh, look at that. I cannot wait to dive into this eyeshadow palette and show you some beautiful soft looks for Mother's Day. Of course, you know I had to get that Gotta Get It bag. This bag is chock full of amazing stuff, which of course we will unbox soon. There's some of more of our deodorants. There we go. Let's swoop over here. This was in that clearance sale in our e-store. This is the Elastine Protein Honey Smooth Me hair kit. It does come with a trial size of the shampoo that our family loves and some hair mask. And this was only $4.99. So I thought I'd scoop this up and put it in our travel case because I will be traveling this year and I did need to bring a trial size of shampoo and conditioner. I thought this would be perfect. Some more deodorant. Here is that Studio 1886. This is the 21 collection. I am putting this in a gift bag for a customer of mine. She wanted the perfume and the body lotion. And so I thought I would give her that beautiful gift set. If you want to see any of the gift sets that we make here at Unique Avon, I will be showing those soon. It'll be a separate video, I believe, really soon, but it'll be up soon. So I'll show you all the gift baskets we do, things we do for events, and how I do my apartment staging here as well. All right. Ooh, what is this? What is this? Ooh, the new layers. We do have a new layers fragrance coming out, and this is Coastal Lotus, because I got words. This is called Coastal Lotus. I'm so excited. This box is so beautiful. Heard the scent is amazing, and we will give that a try really soon. Some more deodorants. Here is another layered candle. I am in love with these layered candles, and this is Juicy Currant and Magnolia. I'm actually going to give y'all a sneak peek of what is inside of this box, because this scent, I love this scent. This scent is amazing. Let's see. There you go. That is what the top looks like. It is glass. This is a soy-based candle. So beautiful. That is what she looks like. It's the bottom. You can actually peel off this if you'd like. I always just turn it this way. So when the scent is gone, when I have to replenish, because it's actually my second candle. So once this is done, of course, I always flip it over to the side and see which candle I need to replace. So that is how I do that. But yeah, I'm so excited. So let me open the second box and I'll show you what we got in that as well. Okay, so we have dived into the second box. I'm so excited because we did get the bags to put the slippers in. I used the larger bags, which I didn't have. So I was able to grab those. I grabbed, I think, 6. Because we had 60 of the beautiful residents of the center. So I made sure every resident had their own bag. Also, they had a monster sale on face masks. So I did grab 10 of the Nourishing face masks. They were only 79 cents a piece. So I grabbed 10 of those. And I did grab 10 of the others. Let me see if I can't find them. So these are the Nourishing ones. Let's see, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so they must be down here. Let's try. I'm trying to find the mask before. Oh, there they are. They put them in a bundle. Here they are. And here are the other masks that were 75 cents. This is a firming mask. I love these two. Me and my daughters are doing mommy spa days, and so we'll put them on a face mask. So I would put my girls on the nourishing face mask or a cucumber face mask. And these, of course, are for me. I also am doing, like I said, Mother's Day gift bags and gift boxes and things. And I thought this would be a great thing to add to those. And so now I have a total of 20 face masks for 79 cents. I will be actually ordering more of these. It does have an expiration date on it. And the expiration is not until the 2024. So yeah, I have a good enough time to get baskets made, hopefully sell all these. I'll probably go back on my e-store and grab more. So if you love face masks just as much as I do, go ahead and grab in my e-store. Of course, the link is always in there for you to grab. These are only 79 cents a piece. That is not a bad deal. And I got 10. Hello. All right, next thing, as you see, new books. This is campaign 10. Lovely. And here's one of the items I want to showcase for you. This is an on the back deal. Exclusive here on our page. This is a Mother's Day bundle. Can you see that? I hope you can. It says when you purchase any $20 brochure item, you can get this beautiful set, including the bag, for less than $30. That's $157 if you purchase it separately. So, ooh, jump on that. That is on campaign 10. Of course, I will let you all know when campaign 10 does come out. So keep an eye on that. Of course, there is the Belief Celebration like we do every year. Do your little flip through here. I actually got that beautiful set coming soon. So take a look. I got some beautiful, beautiful inspiration coming for you all. There, I saw a new line of makeup coming out soon. So stay tuned and we'll cover all that really soon. Also in the box, we should have what's new. Yep, here it is. What's new campaign. What is this? 11. Ooh. And I actually will do a walkthrough. A lot of people have asked what's coming up. What should I save my money for? So I will actually do these really soon. I actually have campaigns 10s. This campaign here. And a what's new. So I think I'll start doing that to let you all know, hey, these are the big highlights that you would want to do for this campaign. So you'll know, hey, I don't want to spend money right now, but what's coming up. And I see a special offer deal in the back here. That's amazing. Oh, yeah. They're usually, this is the lowest price of the year. And you know, if y'all missed that, buy this softener, get a deodorant, you still have until the end of this campaign to cash in on that one. Because that was an excellent deal. All right. Thank you guys for unboxing with me. I had so much fun. I will be showing you the outreach bags. And for that, it has the slippers. It has all kind of fun stuff. And I cannot wait to show you. So don't forget to look out for that video. Thanks so much for watching me unbox, and I hope to see your unboxings really soon.